is the baggage area when you and downtown Saffron Avenue picture. So I'm gonna miss Calgary. Look at the crowd. So you cannot watch also this video. I'm going it's the one of the biggest city, so this airport is pretty big. And it's Friday, 14th July 2023, and Calgary time is almost 7 p.m. and the temperature is very good, 20 degrees Celsius today. And in this video I'm going to show you guys Calgary airport a little bit, and let's start the walk. And I just start my walk from the Calgary airport, gate number 2 from departure. And on the opposite side there is a huge parking lot, pay parking lot, and I'm going to enter very soon in the airport. So this is the gate number 3 and the WestJet counter. This is the opposite side of smoking zone, and this is the like a budget and enterprise car rental, so that you can come here just to land in Calgary airport and you can rent the car for yourself. And I'm going to enter the airport with the gate number 4. My flight was yesterday, but it was cancelled. I'm going to fly in Montreal yesterday, but it was cancelled by Flair. And after that, I faced so many problems. So yeah, so this is the, I think it's the WestJet and Lynx counter. Calgary airport is now very busy because of the stampede, as you know, is going on. So many tourists is coming. It's a beautiful peace-based picture at the Calgary airport. So I'm going to post the video about my cancellation of the yesterday flight and why it's cancelled and what compensation they give us to me and what problem I faced. So you cannot watch also this video. I'm going to post this video very soon. Okay, I'm waiting in the airport from the morning at 12 p.m. today. It's a long story. So I'm sitting here almost 8 hours and doing nothing, just waiting for my flight. Because as you know, I mentioned in my earlier video that I'm going Montreal for a couple of months to experience a new life over there. This way is the security. This is the Flair counter. Flair actually don't operate their counter directly. They are the third party who operate this counter. If you have any problem, you have to call the customer service and wait for unlimited time. And this is the Air Canada. Air Canada, I think they have more than one counter. And this is the gate number 9. Here is another Air Canada. Calgary is an international airport, and of course it's the one of the biggest cities, so this airport is pretty big and pretty like a modern, so you can see all the equipment is here. And also whenever you arrived in Calgary airport, you can find the taxi. Also you can check the Uber signboard. So if you don't have phone, even though you don't have phone, you can use the app from the airport, so you can call the Uber as well. So if I find the Uber sign, I will show you. This is the gate number 12. I think this is the last entrance, or maybe, yeah, this is the last entrance, I think. So let me check for the departure section. Oh, sorry. I passed this door. So yeah, this is the end of the airport, and it's the Marriott Hotel, Calgary Marriott. You can see the sign. And now I'm going to show you guys the luggage section area. So I will start my video. So I have to walk towards the luggage section, then I will show you the luggage section area as well. And this one is the Delta Hotel, right opposite of the airport. So this is the baggage area when you arrived. So you can check your baggage area is here.
You guys start drinking, I might have to try.
the baggage area when you arrived in Calgary airport. So this is the place you have to collect your baggage. So in the baggage area we can see the number and the flight, which flight you came from. So this is the belt you can find your baggage area. So you are really confused like which like a baggage area you have to go check the number and the display board so you can find easily. So this is number 9. Belt is not it's not running because there is no flight available for the belt number 9.
Hello. Excuse me. Thank you.
Always whenever you arrived in Calgary airport, you can see the all the picture of the beautiful mountains. So as you can see, this is number 10 and this flight is from Toronto AC 147 and this belt is for the Toronto flight. This is how it works. This is it, and I'm going to show you guys after the security in the next section. So after you collect your luggage, there is an exit door. This is gate number 9, so you can exit from the door, and if someone pick up, so they can park here and pick up, and if you need for the taxi or Uber, there is also taxi stand and the Uber over there, I think, and you have to tell the gate number for the Uber, so the Uber will stay on the gate, and you can find the taxi here and start a shuttle. So this is the arrival exit door. Just finish my security and going towards the flare counter. Oh, it's a WestJet. I can see so many planes is parking. So this side also can see the WestJet plane is here. It's a A11. So you can find mostly all the restaurant, shop after the security. And before the security, you find only the basic restaurant like A&W, Tim Hortons, and what else I can? Aero Japan, this kind of chain. shop some tax-free things from inside the shop, inside the airport. And look at all the beautiful pictures. It's the Athabasca Falls in Jasper. You can also check my video about the Athabasca Falls. It's the face. There you can find some Calgary's airport old pictures. Look at this picture, is from 1940. Hope my plane will be on time. Look at the Calgary downtown Saffron Avenue picture. So I'm gonna miss Calgary so badly. Hope you guys also miss me, but I'm gonna show you guys like the Quebec province so that you can understand before you moved Calgary what which province you can choose, because right now Calgary rent price is going so up. Right now the living expense Calgary is more expensive than Montreal.